Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the latest Android Studio on your Windows 10 64-bit machine. So before you continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment for more content like this. So right here, open your favorite browser and in the Google search bar, type in Android Studio, download. It's going to bring you the official website for Android, that is developer.android.com. Click on this website. It's going to bring you the download panel, and here it is going to show you the latest Android Studio, that is Android Studio Ladybug, and this is the download button. Click on the download button. It's going to show you the terms and conditions, so feel free to read through, and at the end you need to check this box to agree with the terms and conditions, and you will see this button being highlighted or being activated so that you can download the Android Studio Ladybug version. So click on download. Click on download again. So your download is going to start in your favorite downloader, but I've already downloaded this. It is my downloads, so I'm going to cancel this one and go to my download folder. It is right here. Then look for my download. So we are having the Android Studio download right here. So right click on it. You can run it as an administrator. Here it is going to ask you for the permission to install it on your PC, so you can click on yes. And yeah, our Android Studio is installing on our machine. So here it is going to prompt you to start the installation. You can click on next. We're going to choose the components, and here we are having the Android Studio and the Android virtual device. So click on next. This is the default installation folder. If you have no reasons for changing it, you can leave it as it is. Otherwise, you can browse and put in your favorite folder. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Click on next. Here you can click on next. And here our Android Studio setup is installing. Wait for a few minutes. As it installs, please click the subscribe button so that you can get the same content like this. So it is showing us installation complete. Click on next, and yeah, you can start the Android Studio. Click on finish. So in this way, we have managed to install Android Studio Ladybug version, which is the latest version for Android Studio on our Windows 10 machine. So here it is going to prompt you to request you send usage statistics to Google, or you cannot send. This helps them to improve on the user experience. So you can click on send statistics. So here it is going to start installing different components for the Android Studio. You can click on next, and now the installation type, we are going to choose the custom. So it is going to install the different components. We have Android SDK, we have the performance, Android emulator, and Android virtual device. If you have an Android phone, you can uncheck this box, since you do not need a virtual device. You also don't need an emulator. So click on next. Here you can click on next. You can proceed to next. So here I need to accept the terms and conditions for the Android license. Click on next, accept, and you can scroll down and also check on the Android Extra license. You also have to accept it and click on finish. So here it is going to start installing the different components and different resources for Android setup. So this will take some few minutes, and when it is done, you have managed to install all the components that are necessary for the Android Studio to be used on your PC. So in case you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the